I'm your mom, and I think you're a boy.
Yeah.
I'm your TT, and I already know the gender.
I'm the grandma, and I'm team boy.
I'm the uncle, and I think it's a boy. I'm the big sister, and I think it's a girl.
Yeah.
Alright, I'm the uncle. I'm team boy.
Yeah. What do you think it is?
A boy.
Pretty. She wants boy.
Right, you're team boy. What team are you?
Team boy.
What's your name? Yeah. You.
Team girl.
And you're the
Amora.
cousin?
Yes.
Go! Stop, big man. Come on. What you want to do to us? Come on!
Alright, I'm the TT and I think it's a boy.
Team boy. You're the
Team
juju.
boy. I'm the juju, and I'm going for a boy.
Team boy.
Yeah.
I'm the TT, and I think it's a boy.
Yeah.
I'm her bestie, her favorite bestie, her only bestie. I'm the
There it is.
Team
There
boy, though.
That's
Team boy. You on the toilet?
I'm the dad and I'm team boy, of course. Yeah.
I'm the cousin. I'm team boy. What do you want to
On my soul. Cousin man, I'm team boy. I'm the uncle and I'm team boy.
I'm the cousin, and we think it's a boy.
I'm the cousin, and I think it's a girl.
I'm your cousin, and I think you're a boy.
Team what? Team boy. Oh my goodness. Team what? Blue. Yeah.
Bro, if this is a girl, I'm crying. I swear to God, I'm gonna be pissed.
Well, come on.
4, 3, 2, 1.
It's a girl!
It's a girl! It's a girl!
Fuck this whole thing.
I'm ready to go home. I wasted a blue shirt.
Girl, this that bullshit. Look, Bestie Piss, she already ready. I need to smoke. I want to actually let people touch, and I don't care.
Yeah, I like your tattoo.
Yeah, I hope it don't stretch this time. I'm gonna be pissed.
You never get stretch marks. You always
No.
snap back.
The baby. Oh shit, that's a lot of fucking diapers, man.